Be, ano? Oh, ano? Kamusta mo si Daddy? Daddy. Tuloy say to Daddy. Huh? Hi, Daddy. Hope you're always doing great. Comfy po ba? Diyan sa work? Yay! Oh, sige, kausapin ko si Daddy. No po. Oh, what else? What else? Oh, what else? Huh? Oh. We love you, Daddy. Yung song natin, You're my honey bun, sugar plum, yummy, yummy, yumkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop. Sniffle, sniffle, you're the apple of my eye. And I love you so. And I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I'd love to sing this song to you because you are so dear. Oh, galing kumanta. Oh, ayan. Yummy, You're my cupcake gumdrop. Ngayon na kay Barney. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Yay! Love you, Daddy. Take care always. Take care always. We're doing good here. Opo. Love you. Bless you. Oh. Love you. Love you, Daddy.